Okay, Odin, give me the ball. He doesn't know how to play fetch. Welcome back to the show, guys. Today we're making an awesome variation to the Long Island iced tea. This is the Long Beach iced tea. So this is basically a variation where we swap out the Coke at the end for cranberry juice. However, in this particular variation that I found, Steve the bartender did it, but I believe it actually comes from Difford's guide. We're also going to swap out the Cointreau for Coffee Liqueur. And that sounds really weird, but it really elevates this drink. It works really well. So just like any Long Island, we're going to start by equal parts of our 4 white spirits. We've got tequila, and then we're going to do gin. We're doing a ½ ounce of each. That's the ratio I like. Some people do full ounce, 3/4 ounce. I feel like that's too much, but you do you. Okay, after that, we've got ½ ounce of rum. And lastly, we're going to do a ½ ounce of vodka. So those are our equal parts. We've got tequila, gin, rum, and vodka. And after this is where we would introduce the Cointreau or triple sec, but instead, we're going to do coffee liqueur. Now, I'm using my own homemade coffee liqueur, so click that card in the corner there, and you can go check out that recipe. Any coffee liqueur will do, Mr. Black, Kahlua, although if you're adding Kahlua, you'll have to adjust the sweetness. Alright, so ½ ounce of our coffee. After that, we're going to do a lemon juice. Do 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And then lastly, just a ¼ ounce of simple syrup. So if you're using Kahlua, you might want to omit this, but my coffee liqueur, a little bit on the drier side, so I'm adding a little bit of sweetness. Okay, so we're adding some ice, and then we're going to shake this cocktail. Now, you could add the cranberry juice directly to the tin here and shake it. I don't do that because I follow the same technique as a Long Island, and obviously you don't want to shake cola. But here, obviously, you could shake the cranberry juice. I just don't do it. I just do it this way. So, Collins glass ice cubes, and then we're gonna add our mixture to the glass. It should bring you to about 3/4 of the way up, approximately, depending on how much ice you're using or the size of your glass. And then, as I mentioned, our final ingredient we will top off with cranberry juice. Okay, we're gonna give it a straw, and for garnish, just a lemon wedge, or you can do a lemon peel, whatever you want. And there it is, the Long Beach iced tea with coffee liqueur. That's the one kind of variation here. And wow, it really does elevate the drink. So all the liquors in there, all those spirits kind of fade into the background. You taste the lemon, you taste the cranberry, but then that coffee really comes through, and it's kind of the star of the show. You're not really sure what it is at first, but it's just really good. So give this a try. If you've tried the Long Beach before with triple sec, and you were like, it's not great, try it with the coffee. Makes a huge difference. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Odin. Who's a good boy?